Hi guys, Excel at Online here, and today I'm going to show you the shortcuts that I use on a daily basis in Microsoft Excel. So firstly, I'm going to cover navigation, and some of the shortcut keys that I use when navigating the spreadsheet are Control down arrow, so that jumps to the bottom of your data range. Control right arrow key jumps to the far right of your data range. Control up jumps back up to the top of your data range, and then Control left jumps to the far left of your data range. So moving on to actual selecting data using shortcuts. So if I want to select the whole data range, press the keys Control A, and that selects the entire data range. If I want to select the entire spreadsheet, press Control A again, and that selects the entire spreadsheet. Now, if I want to select a single column, press Control Spacebar. If I want to select a single row, press Shift Spacebar. If I want to select multiple rows, I hold my Shift key down and then tap the up key or down key, and that highlights multiple rows. With columns, press Control Spacebar and then do the same. So hold the Shift key and tap right, or I can tap left if I want to select less columns. So I've shown you how to navigate the data using shortcuts and how to select data using shortcuts. Now I'm going to jump into a few additional shortcuts that I use while working with Excel on a daily basis. So the first one is a filter. So press Control and A. That selects your data range as previously mentioned. Then press the keys Control, Shift and L to insert a filter. Now let's say I want to filter my data to show all the sales by customer Beta Limited. Click on this key here, arrow key here. Then unselect all, and then click on Beta Limited, and that will show you all the sales for Beta Limited. So that's how you insert a filter using the shortcut keys Control, Shift and L. So to unselect the filter, press the same keys. That's how you insert a filter. So one of the shortcuts that I use frequently is Control D. So what does Control D do? It fills down either hard-coded values or formulas from the top cell that you've selected all the way down. And I'm going to show you using a tax rate. I'm going to calculate on D2. So hit the equals key, select D2 and multiply this by 0.2. So you can see now I've got my formula in E2, and I want to copy this down to E51. I'm selecting this range, by the way, using holding the Shift key and tapping the down arrow. So now to fill, press Control D. As you can see there, it's filled down my formulas. And let's say I want to paste these as values and get rid of the formula aspect in the cells. So press the keys Control C to copy, and then I'm going to hit the keys Alt ESV, paste as values, and you can see there my formula has gone and it's just given me hard-coded text. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. I really do appreciate it. It really helps the channel. Without people's support, the channel doesn't grow, so I appreciate every comment. I appreciate every like, and I appreciate people watching. I am going to make more of an effort now to go into long form content. So stick around. We're going to have some more educational content and hopefully help you guys become more efficient using Microsoft Excel. Until next time, thanks for watching. Take care.